That's fine. If you're good enough with the hammer, finding it from the top, that's fine too. If for some reason, like you see a hole here, you get wrong.
Oh, no, no.
Have a little shot of solar seal or some roofing silicone. Lift up the shingle, squirt it in that hole, press this down, and have the silicone squirt out. If you do make a mistake, mistakes happen, even with the best of us. But again, with this alpha, we already have these pre-drilled.
I think it was Lindsay's number.
And you want to pass the other one around. You just see the difference. Regular metal washer, stainless steel lag, everything that comes in contact, I don't think we mentioned this, everything that comes in contact with the aluminum, you want it to be stainless steel so it doesn't react with the aluminum. You have your lag, your washer, and then your rubberized washer there. And then you notice there's a divot, a little crater in this. That's to fit right on the black side. It's got a little mountaintop there. So that way it creates a good seal with that rubber washer. And then there's rubber on the bottom also. Technically you don't have to silicone these according to instructions, but why not? It always just gives us a little bit of peace of mind. So we just shoot that with a little shot of silicone. It doesn't have to be much. And you slide this up under. And thank you. So nice and tight. You'll even see this go up a little bit. Not a big deal. And you can see that's pretty tight. When you do put the rail on there, if it is askew a little bit, it'll draw itself around it and line itself up. Yeah. Can I see that last one there? I got one here, Bill. So even if this is off a little bit, not the biggest deal, because actually you see it slides a little bit. As you tighten it up, it'll straighten up. But these don't even have to be that perfect. Even some manufacturers like these bottom pieces to be a little bit of a skew, so that way if water runs down, it runs off, it doesn't pool up. But it's a flash set. We never really had, we never had a problem with any of them. So it's kind of terrible. That's supposed to be under that sheet wall. So basically, this is supposed to be like in the real situation. Yeah. Yep. Now, a question that does come up too is, can I overhang the panels? What happens if I've got 10 feet of roof space, but I've got 12.5 feet or 10 feet of roof space is 120 inches, and I've got 130 inches of panel. Can I overhang the panels? Yeah. If you want to overhang the panels a foot maximum, if you need to, yeah. But we would actually prefer you overhang the bottom end, because that way any snow that sheds off just keeps going off the roof. Any water that's coming down the panels just keeps going off the roof. And also, too, if you think about it, if you have 12 inches on the top of the peak, well, that means your rail is basically right at the peak. So if you have a ridge cap, you're trying to tuck a flash foot attachment that goes up higher than your feet. So you're going to have to cut off your attachment here, or sometimes you're popping nails up underneath it that are part of your ridge cap, and the ridge cap is really the only thing that holds the top of your roof on. So if that comes flying off, then all of a sudden you're going to have shingles that are loosening up and issues, bond issues. So, yeah, wind issue is one thing on the top also, but not overly critical. Again, they're rated pretty sturdy. I mean, you'll see YouTube videos and YouTube pictures of people showing carnage after hurricanes, and you'll see someone's entire roof laying in their yard, and the solar panels are just still attached to them. It's fine. So they really kind of over-designed these, so there are no issues, and there's no like, oh, it's an issue enough with people wanting to put something on their roof because aesthetics, but now if there's a fear that it's going to come flying off their roof and all this stuff, imagine all the type of false or poor media that's going to get. So,